Imagine being able to build a complete energy-efficient mini PC, all on a board barely bigger than a paperback book. Sounds exciting? Then stick around, because today we're looking at a compact powerhouse that's equally interesting for a home server, office setup, or media center. So, what exactly are we talking about here? This is a mini ITX motherboard with a built-in Intel processor that's not only extremely compact, but also offers a surprising number of connectivity options. At just 6.7 inches on each side, it fits into virtually any small case, perfect for space-saving builds. The processor has 4 cores and is optimized for energy efficiency. That means quiet operation, low temperatures, and still enough performance for office tasks, media streaming, or light server duties. Sure, it's not meant for high-end gaming or heavy video editing, but that's not what it's built for. For memory, there's a single SO-DIMM slot that officially supports up to 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. That's plenty for most uses, though some might wish for a second slot. The ports are where things get really interesting. HDMI, DisplayPort, and even VGA. Perfect if you want to mix old and new monitors. You also get modern USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports with up to 10 gigabits per second speeds, USB 3.2 Gen 1, and classic USB 2.0 ports. Storage can be connected via an M.2 slot or a single SATA port, the latter being a small drawback if you plan to use multiple hard drives. For networking, there's gigabit LAN with extra surge and ESD protection. The board is generally built to last, from the corrosion-resistant I/O shield to built-in safeguards against electrical damage. A nice bonus, if you buy the CSM version, you also get professional IT management tools, which are especially useful in corporate environments. All in all, this is a very versatile and efficient foundation for compact projects. Whether it's a quiet living room PC, a small NAS server, or a minimalist work machine, the board offers plenty of possibilities. If you'd like to see more or check out a deal, look in the description. I've included relevant links there. So what's good and what's not so good about this board? Pros: compact design with built-in processor, wide range of ports including support for older devices, energy efficient and quiet, durable build with protective features, CSM version includes extra management tools. Cons: only one RAM slot, max 16 gigabytes, only one SATA port for drives, no high-end performance for demanding applications, some reports of slightly higher power consumption. If you're looking to build a small, efficient, yet versatile PC, this board is definitely worth a look. It combines a compact design with solid features. Perfect for many projects where space and power efficiency matter. You can find current offers in the description. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss more exciting hardware reviews.